Hello and welcome to Victor Shamagi, and in this quick video I want to show you how I make my thumbnails for my YouTube videos. I'm a graphic designer, but I no longer have the time based on schedules and other things. So the AI helps me create my thumbnails. So this is what I do. So I use ChatGPT in almost all of them, right? So now what I do is, before creating the video, you already know what you want to do. You know what topic you want to cover. Like now, I want to create thumbnails. So I ask AI for assistance in time of, okay, what and what is needed, an element of what I want to do. Because at the end of the day, every video you make is for education. So you need to make it make sense, not just making it because you want to make videos. All right. So you need to have gather facts, some elemental part of the video. So you can paste your concept. So I'm going to paste my concept here, but this concept I'm pasting here is basically I've made the video already. So the video I made was how to use CapCut features for free, especially the Pro feature, right? So uh, so this is how I wanted to name it. I say how to use CapCut Pro features for free. So I'm going to put a comma here, and I want an optimized title, description, because the video should have a description on YouTube, right? And I want a thumbnail. So you're going to add the size, because the size of the thumbnail needs to be 1920 by 1080p. Let's just leave 1080p. It's pixels, all right? So with that, let's just add a p. So I'm going to click on start. So it's going to give me a high converting YouTube package for this CapCut Pro. So it gives me viral YouTube title option. CapCut Pro Future free in 2026. Unlock CapCut Pro Future, no subscription required. So and then let's look at the correction. It said CapCut Pro Future free is in 2026, no subscription needed. Now it has an engagement. It has the thumbnail. So not the thumbnail. Yeah, it has the optimized description. So, but first, let's say I go with this title. So you first copy it and paste here, allowing it to acknowledge that this is the one you've chosen. So it's going to go with, okay, this is and then it's going to give us a description again. This time, this description is going in tune with what we have here. So, and we'll now ask it for thumbnail now. After that is done, we're asking it to give us a thumbnail. So I'm asking it to use any face of its choice. It's asking if it should use my face. So just say it should use any face of its choice. So I think it has generated it. Okay, yeah. So you can see what we have here, right? So we just click, go ahead. If you want to edit, I don't know, but I'm not editing anything. So we just go ahead and download what we have and use it. I don't know why it's telling me to edit. Okay, so just click on save. So it's safe. What we'll do now, we'll go to Photoshop because that's the second software. Now, what we have, even though we put a size, it's not really going to give us that size. All right. So you open your Photoshop. You don't have, you have to get it installed. Okay. So you have Photoshop. You can use, what's the name of this other one? I've forgotten the name, but Coral Draw. Yeah, you can use Coral Draw, and then you can also use Canva, but make sure that you are getting the size dimension. So you're going to go to File, and you go to New. From New, you edit the name, put the name thumbnail. Then under document type, you're going to, your own may not be at this, so it may be at default or US or this, but you just go to film and video. So once you go to film and video, you're going to see the size here under this HD TV 1080p. All right, so the size are in pixels. So 1920 by 1080 pixels. So you just click on OK. Now you're going to go to bring in the file we download. So you either go to this quick access and you're going to see what we just did now. So I'm just going to drag it from here and bring it in and drop. So you see, once I drop it, you will see that it's not completing the entire size. All right, so I'm just going to drag it. Got to drag it. Now you're going to hold a shift on your keyboard. So when you hold a shift, when you hold shift, it allows you to adjust this without taking everywhere, but it's going to thwart the thing a bit, but not to worry. So though there is a bit of stretching, but not to worry, but you just want it to cover the whole screen, and it's not noticeable. Not that it's something you're not doing it for your client, you're doing it for yourself. All right. So once that is done, and then also because this is checked, the smart object, it's not really going to spoil it that much because it comes as a smart object. All right. So with that, you just click on your file and then you go down to export and then you go to save for web. So on the save for web, you go to preset and then you select JPEG, but you have JPEG high, low, go for medium so that the size doesn't go too high, because if it's around 2 point something MB, sometimes you hear them say it's too large. All right, so you go with medium and then you click on save and you save it. Oh, I think there is a thumbnail there as well, so let's replace it. So with this, you can take the JPEG you just saved now and upload on your YouTube channel. So if I want to do that on my YouTube channel, I'm just going to go in and then I'll go under content and then here is the video, is the last video I uploaded. So I'm just going to go to this and I'll go down to thumbnail. This is a thumbnail that is currently there. So I'm just going to go down to thumbnail and then I'm going to say change. Then I would go to quick access because that's the last thing we did, and then I'm going to upload that. So you see, once I upload it, you see that it's covering the entire screen. You can see it's covering the entire screen. So that is how to make a thumbnail quickly using AI. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.